32 Yankee, unable to hand off with New York Center. Radar services terminated. Squawk VFR. And for further flight following, contact New York Center 134.8.
I'll try 134.8, and I'm going to squawk VFR, sir. 3T Yankee, thanks for the help. Autopilot on so I could pay attention. Go to the heading bug. On altitude. I hold the lead fine. It's going to tell me that the left engine second cylinder peaked at 1398 at 6.8 gallons per hour. And the right engine third cylinder at 1435. So, let's set it and forget it. Let's call center. Where are we?
Got 5013 New York Center, Roger, cross Rocky 13,000, Allentown, altimeter 3013. 644 Hotel Lima, traffic just out in front of you there, about 100 feet underneath you on verified. Do you see him? Hotel Lima, Roger. Empty direct towards Lake intersection. Forgot 5013, sorry about that. You clearly across VAY at 13,000, Allentown, altimeter 3014.
That's about 8 per side, 21, 2350. Got 170.
November 578 Whiskey Zulu in New York, climb maintain 17,000, Allentown, altimeter 3013.
2450.
All right, Twin Comanche 3 Yankee Squawk 0443, you are radar contact about 5 west of Van Sant. We're showing 9300.
Alright, squawking 0443, I'm at P830, sir, passing 9200.
And Twin Comanche 8632 Yankee, you can call Philly now, they know you're coming 28.4.
184, Philly, 3 Yankee, thank you.
You're welcome.
Philly approach, Twin Comanche 863 Yankee, sending out at 8,600.
Comanche 8623, Krishna 32 Yankee, Philadelphia approach, Philadelphia altimeter 3013, what's your destination?
0.13, destination Victor Alpha Yankee.
Alright, VAY, I'm sorry, you did say that. 32 Yankee, clear through Bravo airspace.
Clear Bravo, 8.3, descending to 5.5.
Alright, thank you.
7 for 5.5.
Roger, 2356, Philadelphia approach, altimeter 3013, expect vectors Isla Zulu, runway 9 right. 8632 Yankee, contact Philadelphia 123.8.
23.8 Philly, 32 Yankee. Philly approach, Twin Comanche 863 Yankee, 6,000, descending 5.5.
8632 Yankee, Philly approach, Philly altimeter 3013.
3013, 32 Yankee.
Frontier 822, descend and maintain 4,000. 4,000, Frontier 822.
Actually 2475 by 2475. This is going to be 55. Calibrated airspeed is 166.
Ticket 676, traffic 1 o'clock and 10 miles southeastbound, 5500 to Saratoga.
I'm not a Saratoga. I got 179 fucking knots. Oh, sorry. So I'm cruising along at 5,500 feet. About 2475 by 2475. I'm pushing 10 on each side. I got 167 indicated.
RMP Yankee runway 24. I'm at her about
I got 180 true. I got 180 true. Where's my camera?
Or 822. 32 Yankee, descend VFR at or below 3,500.
Descend VFR at or below 3,005, 3 Yankee. I gotta come down. Let's see if I power back to 9 per side. It's going to affect my... rather than 10 per side, I'm 9 per side.
322, contact tower 120.7, have it going. 20.7 Frontier 826.
I'm cruising the same. Cruising the same. I got 160, 180 true, 180 true. 180 true. 180 true at 55. 180 true at 55. Yes, sirree. 180 true at 55. Did you see that? I hope you're recording. 180 true. And it didn't matter if I was doing 18 gallons or if I was doing 3005. Get me within gear speed. Jump check, I'm G. I have a bit of a tailwind right here, so let's pull this for gear speed. A little bit of an up in the bank. Look at this. Little wag the tail. Gotta love it. And the gear is confirmed down. I like to get slow and play that game. So let's
Flying W traffic, Cessna turning base runway 1, flying W.
South Jersey twin, downwind 08. Alright, so, got G, B, gears confirmed down, Cal Upsel stage shut. There's the runway 15.
Flying W, Cessna final, runway 1, flying W.
Thank you, ma'am. South Jersey twin, left base 08.
Check traffic, 380, Victor, 2 miles to the north, northwest.
We're catching up 160 knots right now.
Mixture, props, I got G, gears confirmed down, mixture and prop, we're all good.